When you buy a brand new car, most people assume that the paint is in perfect condition and ready to go. But the truth is, that's usually not the case. This Lexus LC500 came straight to us from the dealership before it even touched the road. Kylie here, back again with 405 Motoring. Welcome back to another video. Today we have this LC500 in for one of the most comprehensive protection packages on the market. We did absolutely everything on this vehicle, from full body paint protection film to ceramic window tint to windshield protection, ceramic coating across the entire car, and even on the wheels. These cars go through so much before arriving at the dealer and then to your house, between transportation, dealership prep, and sometimes even improper washing at the dealer before the owner takes the keys. On the surface, your paint might look totally fine, but there can be things like environmental fallout, minor scratches, and even road debris and rock chips that you may not see before you even drive off the lot. In this case, we actually transported the car directly from the dealership in an enclosed trailer, so we could limit the chance of rock chips or road debris from damaging the paint. All right, so obviously the biggest part of this protection package is going to be the full body paint protection film that we've applied to every single painted surface on the vehicle. Now, if you don't know what PPF is a clear protective film that gets put over the painted surfaces on a car, and this is going to help protect your vehicle from everyday road debris, from light scratches, and anything else on the road that life might throw at it. A really cool thing about modern PPF is that it's actually self-healing. That means that light swirl marks and light scratches can actually be healed with heat, whether that's from the sun or from warm water. On this LC500, we didn't just do the front end. The owner really wanted to do the entire vehicle. Many times when people are doing PPF for the first time, they start with the hood, the front bumper, maybe even the mirror caps, because those take the most abuse. But this owner plans on driving the vehicle, and nobody has ever regretted PPFing the whole car. One of the things that separates a really good install from a really great film install is the way that the film is finished. Our PPF installers make sure we go the extra mile and we disassemble as much of the vehicle as we possibly can. This ensures that you're getting a really seamless finish. If we take a look down here at one of our panels, you'll see that everything is tucked around the edges, making sure that the car looks exactly as it came from the dealership. No seams in sight. The goal of PPF isn't for people to notice it. It's to protect your investment and to ensure that the paint looks just as good as when it left the factory. Next up, we installed the window tint, which is something that a lot of people think of purely for looks, but there are actually some really practical reasons to tint your windows. High-quality ceramic tint prevents 99% of UV rays, which is going to help protect the interior of your car from fading or cracking over time. It also helps with heat rejection, which makes the cabin a lot more comfortable, especially here in Southern California, where the sun can be really brutal, especially during those summer months. So while it definitely gives the car a cleaner look, there's a lot of functionality behind it too. Another difference of what makes this a really, really good wrap are the little details like on the trunk here. At 405 Motoring, we go the extra step to do this all in one piece. A lot of shops would often make a seam here and on the bottom. Here, we do it all in one to ensure that seamless finish, always. This next option is something that's really growing in popularity with our customers, and that would be windshield protection film. With how expensive windshields are getting these days, especially with integrated cameras and having to calibrate them afterwards, this is a great option if you just want to mindlessly drive your car. You have that peace of mind where rock chips, whatever could be flying at you on the road, isn't going to shatter your windshield. After the film is applied, the final step of this protection package is the ceramic coating. Now, the ceramic coating is a hydrophobic layer that goes across the entire car. And when I say entire car, I mean the entire car. Everything from every single painted body surface to the glass, to the trim, to the wheels, and even the calipers gets coated. Now, why do we do this? Well, ceramic coating is going to create a hydrophobic layer across all these surfaces that's going to make dirt, water, grime really hard to stick to, which in turn makes your day-to-day life a lot easier. It's easier to wash, easier to maintain, and it gives it this beautiful glossy finish that looks like it just came from factory. Now, unlike PPF, this is not going to prevent rock chips, swirls, or scratches, but if it makes your life a little bit easier, to us it's worth it. At the end of the day, cars like the LC500 are built to be driven. All we did was ensure that the owner has no headaches to worry about when he actually wants to go and drive it. By combining this entire protection package, this car is entirely bubble wrapped, from the paint protection film, to the windshield protection, to the ceramic tint on the window, and of course, the ceramic coating on the entire car. It's been done to transform the car into something drivable, enjoyable, and headache-free. Now, if you have a car that you want to transform into something you can drive every day, or something that you just want to protect, maybe an investment, maybe something older, maybe something really cool, bring it to us here at 405 Motoring. We'd love to take a look. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video.